What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at this unstoppable flush that ARM is in. Now I called out this $80 price target just 2 days ago. Here we go on my channel. Just take a look at this video 2 days ago. What a flush, $80 next is the title, right? Right over here where my cursor is here, right? So, wow, this thing is so quick, right? Almost there. We are at $87 right now. So in this video, we'll be talking about, well, $80 is almost there. Is it going to continue lower than that, or is this the time to buy? We'll talk about all that scenario, my opinion, and based off of the price action and the data. And we'll talk about all of that going into this week, how this thing could be traded, or should you just stay on the sideline? Because technically this short move has happened already quite a lot, but is it going to continue much lower? So let's talk about all that with the levels and the price action. And with that, I'll also take you over, well, some when the price goes up, analysts would find anything to push up the price. When the price goes down, analysts would find completely something to just as a reinforcing the price action already, right? When the price has made the move, they're like, oh, you know what, this is why it's going down, look at it. This is where they are downgrading now because, well, the price has already fallen. So they're like, oh, well, we don't want to look bad. We got to show our clients that, hey, we know why this is falling. This is why. But I'm not going to go over all this crap that they do here. So we're just going to stick with the technicals here, guys. So with that, please hit the like, subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, okay? So a couple of things I want to show you here. First of all is with these flushes that we have been happening, the volume has been increasing as well. So volume also is playing a role here. So it's not just a slow or it's just not a low volume flush. It is quite a steep flush. Now let's talk about what led us in this the flushes. So I talked about 2 days ago as well, guys, that this is the blue box, the distribution phase. As we have lost it, you can this is the bottom of the distribution phase, the box of the support. As we lost it, expect the flush, and $80 is the possibility. We are getting almost there, guys, $7 away. So yes, this has marked as the top, as the distribution phase. You can see we were slowly, and things actually makes more sense on 4 hours in this case. Things were slowly after forming this sell-off candle up here, supply zone. Slowly we were selling off at the retest of the supply zone, and we started to make lower highs as well. And eventually this demand zone that was holding for quite some time just finally gave up, right? And you can see once we cracked below this demand zone, or the box $120, this massive flush of volume came, completely destroyed this ever holding, the bottom of the support of the distribution phase, and we have been plummeting lower. Now, as if you ask me, Junior Trader, how low can it continue to go, right? So let's go to the hourly interval, and we'll talk about a couple of levels here. So this is a clean fall, right? After these falls, sure, some rebound may come, but there is no guarantee of rebounds coming because we are in the downtrend. But let's say if any rebound comes, that would not have much to do at this point. I would say, guys, that will be just 20 hours moving average of possible rejection, or 50 hours moving average of possible rejection. If ARM wants to become bullish again, it's not even just it's recapturing at this level now. Once you have this massive flush, you have to actually see on the daily interval for any possible upsides, and how, well, possible structural change, and how that would be. Well, one green candle is not going to make any difference when you are in this massive flush with the gap fill mode, okay? What you have to see, possibly the level is, guys, $80. This is the level around which you are watching a potential consolidation forming. So what you have to see is on daily, couple of green candles form, and just one candle is not going to push things up. You have to see a structure form of a double bottom at least, or a inverted head and shoulder. These are the two most importantly the levels at around $80 you would want to see, and then you can expect some upside. But But as I said, what? Oh, sorry, as I said, but that, yes, intraday and based on the time frame you are trading, that I'm still saying way ahead, guys. This is not even right now building scenario. Okay, I'm just giving you the if this happens. This if any bullish sentiment has to come, you have to watch at $80. That would be a consolidation forming, some green candles coming, things going up, selling off again, retesting $80 again, and finding another green candle and support, and then shooting up with the break of the neckline. But that on the daily will still keep it bearish. Remember, on the daily interval, that will be bearish because $115 is now a supply zone on the daily, and things will continue lower. This has formed a leg lower now, and so if you are a 2, 3, 4, 5 days of trader, or 1 week or 2 weeks of trader, that some long play may come. But that is not in play right now. We have to see if the price develops that way. But then at 115, at that point, you can expect this to continue then lower. This is in that downtrend fashion. We are not in that play though. Okay, so that's just if it happens, that's something you're watching at $80. Right now, I'm not seeing any stop in this fall. One green candle is not going to make any difference. That is just a dead cat bounce, and it can flush much lower. So $80 is the level to watch, but if we lose $80 level at this point, the speed we are falling at, I won't be surprised if it comes to even $65. All right, that's where it pretty much, when it IPO'd, it made the the top the first day, right? So I won't be surprised if it comes to $65 range as well. But yes, right now it's not a buy. It can continue to fall. There is nothing stopping it to fall. Full in the downtrend. Don't just, these are not the times to buy. Oh, it's cheaper than ever before. No, this is a falling knife. Sure, you can go and buy, but don't you think if you really want to buy, you would first want to see some structural changes to the upside? Right now, what am I seeing on the hourly interval as well? Boom, flat, out, dead, done. All right. I'm not seeing any structure that tells me, oh, it's going to go up. No, I'm not seeing any. As I said, rebounds might still continue lower unless you see the price action of the support of double bottom or head and shoulder at these important levels, most importantly at $80 area. We are very close to that. Just remember that as well. But right now, I'm not seeing any price structure change to the upside. If I see, I'll talk about it. Right now, it's still just a downside play, downtrending play. Okay. So that's where I stand with ARM at the moment. And so guys, all the semiconductors have been selling off. Check out my NVIDIA video, guys. I did as well. Kaboom! NVIDIA stock has marked the top, and check this video out, guys. You will get to know a lot about NVIDIA. A lot more videos will be coming out over this weekend. I'll be covering AMD, SMCI, Broadcom. I have plays in those as well. Micron, I have a play in that as well. I'll provide an update. Tesla will be coming out. Netflix is coming out as well as a separate video. So would be Meta. All these tech stocks, Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, QQQ, SPY. Guys, look at the market. It's in a clean, free fall, selling off. No stopping it. Oh, wow. And Elon Musk is reacting. And, well, I'm just going to go to that in just a second. SPY is falling, right? This is unstoppable, right? Flushes. I'll talk about these, in other specific videos as well. I want to read through this. This is interesting. Elon Musk reacts after NVIDIA stock plunges 10% and erases $212 billion in market cap. Rookie numbers. Okay. Yeah, I like Elon Musk when he's a funny guy. Rookie numbers. Well, Tesla. Elon Musk ridiculed the sharp 10% decline in NVIDIA Corp stock and its subsequent $211 billion market capitalization loss on Friday. Musk took to X, formerly Twitter, on Friday to mock the substantial decline in NVIDIA's market capitalization. He referred to the 10% decline as rookie numbers. So again, what perspective he's talking it in, I'm not quite sure if he is mocking it as if, oh, well, it's more to fall. I'm not quite sure. So what I'm saying is I don't know the perspective he's talking at, or is he just saying, oh, this is nothing. 10% is nothing, NVIDIA is worth way more. I'm not quite sure what's the perspective behind it. So, yeah, but it could be that, oh, he's mocking, oh, there's more to fall, or he's just like, oh, well, it's just 10%, doesn't really matter. It can go much more higher. So, I don't know. But if my opinion and sentiment and the price reaction and the technicals, if you want to know about that, check out these videos on my channel. A lot of NVIDIA videos I have done. There will be a lot more options video as well will be coming out, not just on NVIDIA, but other stocks as well, guys. Okay, guys, most importantly, I wanted to talk about ARM here. That's what I have done. So if you want to, if you like this video, hit the like, subscribe, and if you need access to my tools, links in the description below. My tools you see on the videos as well, all automatic levels, marking, dashboard. I have some, bots as well, Wall Street alerts as well. If you need access to all of these, links in the description below. Trade with these data, don't trade blindly. Okay, bye guys.